Imagine a world where technology, business, and finance are so deeply intertwined that they become inseparable. This is not a futuristic scenario, it's the reality we live in today. Welcome to TechBizFinance360, where we unravel the complexity of this intersection. Have you ever pondered the story of the humble barcode? It's a tale that perfectly illustrates the importance of understanding technology, business, and finance. In the late 1940s, two young inventors, Norman Joseph Woodland and Bernard Silver, conceived an idea to help streamline the checkout process in stores. Their solution was the barcode. Despite the brilliance of the idea, the barcode didn't become mainstream until the mid-1970s. Why, you might ask? The technology to read the barcode wasn't available until then. A simple line of black and white stripes waited nearly 3 decades to revolutionize retail because the technology wasn't ready. But when the technology did arrive, businesses that recognized the potential of the barcode and invested in it reaped significant benefits. It streamlined operations, reduced errors, and improved efficiency. The barcode became a symbol of the synergy between technology, business, and finance. In today's world, the pace of technology is faster than ever, and the stakes are even higher. Understanding the intersection of technology, business, and finance is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Here at TechBizFinance360, we are dedicated to providing insights about this critical intersection. We explore the latest trends, analyze the market, and provide tools to navigate this complex landscape. Our content is as diverse as the topics we cover. From deep dive tutorials and cutting-edge market analysis to exclusive interviews with industry leaders, we bring you the insights you need to stay ahead. We invite you to join our growing community. Subscribe to TechBizFinance360 to stay updated with the latest in tech, business, and finance. Be part of our journey into the future, where technology, business, and finance continue to shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Remember, the future belongs to those who understand it. And at TechBizFinance360, we're just getting started. Subscribe and be part of our journey into the future of tech, business, and finance.